If you've been arrested or charged with DUI in New Jersey, here's the harsh truth. DUIs are one of the most difficult charges to get downgraded, amended, or dismissed in the state of New Jersey. But make no mistake, that doesn't mean you're out of options. See, most people think a DUI arrest automatically means losing your license, paying thousands of dollars in fines, and even jail time. They panic and assume their case is hopeless. And once you're convicted, it's permanent. It can't be expunged. While it's not a criminal charge in New Jersey, it is something that is going to stay documented forever. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how DUI cases in New Jersey can sometimes be reduced or even dismissed if you know where to fight. Hi, I'm Daniel Rosenberg. I'm a New Jersey criminal defense attorney, and I represent individuals fight for their future, their record, and their license when they've been charged with a DUI. What most people don't realize about New Jersey DUI convictions is that there are mandatory minimum requirements for every level of conviction. That's fines, penalties, surcharges, interlock device requirement, and loss of license. And because of this, a lot of people just give up. They think they can't beat the case. They just let the state walk all over them. They go in there and they plead guilty, or they plead to whatever's offered to them because they think they can't do any better. Well, make no mistake, there's plenty you can do. Because here's the truth, the state needs to prove each and every element against you beyond a reasonable doubt. So this includes breath test results, police procedure, field sobriety tests, and if any of these are flawed, the entire case can be challenged. But if you just go in there and plead guilty, you'll never know. When we represent individuals charged with DUI, we know the stakes are high. So it's our job to attack the state's case from every angle, rip it apart. We challenge everything from the legitimacy of the stop. Were they even allowed to pull you over? Did they follow appropriate police procedure? Was the breath machine in proper working order? Was the officer certified to perform that breath test? Are any of the certifications expired? Did they test you within a reasonable time of the stop? If they're relying on standardized field sobriety tests, they have to approve that they were administered correctly. Were there poor weather conditions, uneven ground? Even small errors can create big cracks in the prosecution's case. So while these are difficult cases to defend, they are not impossible to defend. It is critical to review every piece of evidence to make sure that the state has followed the letter of the law and honored all of your constitutional rights. If not, the entire case can implode, and that means a more positive result for you. If the prosecution can't prove beyond a reasonable doubt both that you were impaired and that you were operating a motor vehicle, we use that leverage to negotiate dismissals, reduce charges to reckless driving, or to secure other alternative outcomes that'll protect your record, your license, and your livelihood. If you've been arrested for DUI in New Jersey, don't assume you're doomed. You've got rights, and the faster you act, the more we can do to help. Contact our office, our team will set up a consultation, we'll go over the specific facts of your case and tell you what we can do to help you get through this.